Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy S9, for the first you have to go for the settings, and right now go for the connections. Then just scroll down and enter more connection settings, tap on the printing and use the default print service. Right now just wait until your smartphone finds the printer, and in my office you can find the HP Color LaserJet printer. So if you want to print something, you have to go for the thing, and I'm going for the picture, for example. Click right here, tap on the print, and right now we have to click here to select the printer. And if you want to print, just click on this button right here. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.